Hello there, welcome back. So recently Black Shark made an announcement on Weibo regarding the launch event of Black Shark 5 lineup. The launch will take place on March 30th at 7 PM local time in China. This time they are collaborating with China Aerospace for a special edition model, which is clearly evident from these promo images. In addition, the company also announced a meteorite necklace which has the fragment of meteor inside. The fancy limited edition item may be sold with the Aerospace edition phone. Other than this, the Black Shark series will probably include 3 models: Black Shark 5, 5 Pro and 5 RS. The Black Shark 5 RS is a new development. We came to know about this phone just a couple of days ago and we have no idea what it packs. The rest 2, 5 and 5 Pro were spotted in the database of TENA certification in February, so we have some specs of these models. Starting with the Pro, it's obviously going to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. But TENA suggests the vanilla variant will use the far more modest Snapdragon 870. So the performance difference in between these phones will be massive. Generally speaking, Snapdragon 870 is not a bad processor, but Snapdragon 888 would have made more sense considering this is a gaming phone. As for the rest of the specs, for Pro variant expect a 6.67-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display, an in-screen fingerprint scanner, up to 16 GB of RAM, up to 512 GB of storage, and a 4650 mAh rated value battery. It may feature a 13 megapixel front camera and a 108 megapixel primary rear camera in a triple camera unit. The 3C certification of the device suggests that it may carry support for 120 watt fast charging. For vanilla model, expect Snapdragon 870 with up to 12 GB of RAM, up to 256 GB of storage and a 64 megapixel triple camera unit. Rest of the specs like display, battery, physical shoulder buttons will remain the same, but we have yet to discover the cooling solution and other minute details. So yeah, that is everything we know so far. If you like what you saw and want more such videos, then definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.